Alright, we're in this last part of this tutorial. In this place I'll be teaching you how to change the background sound. So I'll give you this slide as well. What you have to do is to go through this step 1, mouse over to settings, step 2, go to sound and soundy background music, step 3, click media library and save change. Now let me show you. In case you are on this home page, you can just click on admin login to bring you here. And type your username and password depending on the username and password given to you by the webmaster. What you notice is that if you reload this website, it will automatically play a particular sound. It will play a sound. It could be a song, it could be anything. But user can just pause the sound here. As you can see, it's automatic. You can pause it. You as the web admin, you can change the sound. So how do we change the sound? Go to settings here, you come to this place, then you click on it. After clicking on it, to bring it to this place, to bring this interface, then you can disable the sound permanently here, and you can change it here. If you have a link where you have another song, maybe on the internet, that ends with .mp3, you can just copy the URL here and save it here. Once you've saved it, it will start playing. Let's see if we can change the song. If you click on media library, you can upload new music from this place. Then you can come to library and select any of the music already uploaded. Now this is of Elijah. If you save it now, and it will load. As you can see, it's loading. Now settings saved. So you come to the home page. If you reload the home page now, it's going to play the song, the new song that we put there. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it's already playing the song. It's already playing it. I can just pause it here and change it back to what was there before. Then I can just save these settings. I want to believe you have already grasped that one. So if you are confused or you don't understand, you can just replay this video so that you can understand perfectly. So in just one more step, if you want to work on the comments, you just have to come to this comments here from the dashboard. After you logged in, come to comments, click on it. After clicking on the comments, it will load this place. You can decide to approve a comment here or spam it or trash it. As you can see, all these comments are not relevant to what is on the website. You just trash it or send it to spam so that they won't send you another comment again. So that's it about comments. You should moderate every comment so that you won't be receiving spam comments, unnecessary comments under your box. As I've said, if you have any question, you can get in touch with me, send me an email, I'll take the screenshot and send it to me. Once again, you need to know, for you to work on the back end, you need to log into the website, and I think that's all for now. If there's anything you don't understand, please let me know. I want to believe you understand all these ones. Hello. Briefly, I want to show you how to work on the event, latest event, upcoming event. I want to remind you that for you to log into the backend, to work on the backend, you need to log in as an admin. The username and password is sent to you by your webmaster. If you don't have it already, you can just ask the webmaster. So once you are logged in as an admin, to bring it to dashboard, remember. So for you to update the upcoming event, all you have to do is to come to this event here. You see my mouse, event here. You can click on add new event, or just click on all events to see the events. It's like you're posting a post with just like you're posting a post, but it's different. You won't be doing it on the post here, you will be doing it on the event here. So let's say you click on the all events to bring you to this page. Now this was the event, and because the event has come and gone, and that's why it's not showing on the home page. Normally the event's supposed to show under this slide, and show at least one event here, upcoming events, show at least one or two events on under this place, this upcoming event. So what you're going to do in this case is that we can add new event, and we can edit this event to go live again. But let me just go through the process of adding new events so I won't be confused. So the page is loading. Alright, add new event, press to loading. Now the first thing you have to do is to give it title. Give it title, let's say 2017 praise. Alright, let's say that's the title we're giving the event. Now what we're going to do now is we work on the, as you can see, this thing is on text. Remember, the last thing we did here on the post was that we embed a code under this text, but this time around we're going to be working with a visual. The visual is just like your Microsoft Word, that is MS Word processor. If you are used to it, you shouldn't have problem with all these features. But they're not used to it, I would advise that you should just type. You can watch a video on YouTube, any free video on YouTube on how to use Microsoft Word. It's not hard to use. But this, once you know how to use Microsoft Word, you will understand what this thing is. You can just briefly describe the events in this place. So in this case, just today's is our latest praise night. Then remember to choose a category. This is very important. If you don't choose the category here, it may not show under this place, because this place works with category and this place as well. So let's say it's music. That's it. We can choose feature image, but it's not compulsory here. But let us choose one feature image. I will be picking from the image we already had, so I will just choose one of these images. Just take this one and I will set it as my featured image. So I might scroll down. You may want to disable this background sound on the event page. Then I think okay. Then you scroll down, event detail. You should pick the event date here. To pop the calendar, all you have to do is to pick a date. I'll be picking February, so that the event will be there for long. February, I'll be picking February 15, and the event end date, I'm picking February 20th. Yeah, the reason is because you must note something here. Your event date, start date, must be earlier than end date. Let's say it's the same day, you can just choose February 15 as well. Yeah, then you now distinguish the timing. Now let's say the timing is the timing start time on that day is 1. This is 12. It's 12 midnight. This 12 midnight. Let's say it's 1. This is Eastern Standard Time. Oh no, sorry. This is the just work with it. This 13 is 1. This is 12 noon. 12 noon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. and this one is 2 p.m. This is 3 p.m. This is 4 p.m. I think you should understand this timing. We call it GMT. That's it. You can put minute, 30 minute. That is gonna be by 4:20 the event starts. By 4:30 the event starts. And click on done. Event end time will now be, let's say, 8 p.m. 18 is 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Then click on done. Then you can address of the event. You can say number 16 New Ring Road, Adon, Oyo State. I don't know if this address exists. I just pull it out from my brain. Contact phone number, you can just write 0801234567889. Events registration, you can enable registration, you can disable your registration. It doesn't matter. But in this case, I'll be disabling the registration. Now, the frequency of the event. Do you want to repeat this event monthly, yearly, or daily, or every second day of the month, or every sixth day of the month, or every week, or every month? If it's weekly, if it's monthly, just click on this. But all you have to do is that, all you need to note in this case is that it will repeat the event monthly or weekly on the same date, the same time. That's what it does. Number of times to repeat the event, that is, if you choose this one and say monthly, so you now say, okay, we want to repeat this event 12 times this year, or 3 times this year. I don't think you can choose by quarterly here, sorry. Then scroll down. Now, total persons details box. The attendees you are expecting, you can just write 35. The staff member, you can write 2. Your email address, in case someone wants to contact you, you can just write info@steelbeats.com. Feature box. Well, I've forgotten what this is all about. Event box, meta box. Okay. Actually, meta box is a place where you put keyword in the normal time. But we'll see what that gives us. So now you can work with this, but I would advise just omit this one. Just ignore it. Just ignore this place. That is if you're overwriting the header functions. Then what we're going to do now is to publish this event by clicking on publish here. It's published. I've clicked on it. Boom. The event is going live now. It's live. So all we have to do now is to go to the home page, reload the home page, and see what we get. Alright. That's the background sound playing. I'm gonna have to pause it now. I've paused it. Now, as you can see, this is the home page. Under this slide, we have an upcoming event. As you can see, we have upcoming events. We can then click on all events to see all events. As you can see, this one is 2017 praise, February 15, 2017. 17 days to go. 17 days, 16 hours, 20 minutes, 43 2 seconds to go. Now, this is the upcoming event. Now, in this page, it's going to list like 2 or 3 upcoming events if you have more than one. So you can just schedule all the events. All the events that you have for the year, you can schedule all of them in one day. But in this page, it's going to display the latest 2 or 3 events. It depends. So, but if you want it to be more than 3 or 4, you can just let me know. By the time you posted like 10 events and you're not seeing all of them in this place, but it's not compulsory that you see all of them. All that matter is that they see the next 3 events. The next 3 events. I want to believe you now understand how to update the event. In case you are confused, please go through the video again or just send me an email at you know my email already, info@nature.com, or you just call my number. Let's say this event has not expired. Let's just edit the event. Let's edit the event. Oh, sorry, I have to do the real editing. But if you want to edit the event, once you come to this event and you click on events, then you come to like I've not refreshed this page, that's why it's not showing the new events that were updated now. But if I want it to show, I just have to do is come to this page and I reload the page. You reload the page or you refresh the page many times, it's the same thing. Now boom, you have it. Now let's say we made a mistake on the live press, we want to edit it. All you have to do is to click on edit. Make sure you don't trash if you don't mean to trash. Now this edit, click on edit. So this is live press and see how we can make it appear again. So all we have to do if we want to make it appear again is to just increase the date, that is add to the date of the event. Now this was supposed to happen in December 2016. This time around we're saying it's 2017. We're saying it's March 2017, March 6, 2017. The time remained the same. Now as you can see, this is the address: Astabi Studio Building, Gate J, Liberty Stadium, Ibadan. This is the phone number of the contact person. The registration is disabled here, and you can enable the registration and see what we get. Let me see what we get if we decide to enable the registration. Enable it. Enable registration fee. That's the problem. It's free. Just put 0 there if it's free, and you just scroll down and just click on update. I'll be disabling the background sound here and click on update. After the update, I may have to go to the home page, refresh it, or reload it, as the case may be. That's the background sound playing. I'm gonna have to pause it. That's it. Then if you scroll here, as you can see, live praise is added. Now the next two events are shown here: February event and March event. Let's see the details of this event. If the user wants to see the details, just click on details. This is the events detail. These are the event details. We have added something in this text box in this place. This is our latest press. We have added something in this place as well. It will have shown. Let us add something. This is our next press event. You can edit and work on these text at your discretion. Now this is live. Let me just reload the page and see how the text is placed. Okay, this is our next event. Now if you want to write details about the event in this place, you're going to see it. User is going to see it. So that's the event. You can decide to register and click on this register button. The user can click on the register button. I don't think it's necessary, but if you think you want to use the feature, go ahead and use it. It's no problem. If you have an issue with it, you can just let me know and send me an email or give me a call. If you give me a call and I didn't pick up, please endeavor to send me an SMS. I may not be chance to pick up at that time, or I may not be with my phone. But if you send me an SMS, maybe I see the SMS, I'm gonna have to call you back or reply your message, as the case may be. So I think you have been able to, with what we have learned over, should be able to maintain this website perfectly. If you have any other question, I will advise that you should please call me. As you can see, remember, this is the admin login. Now if you want to log into the website, just click on the admin login to take you to the login dashboard. Here you enter your username and password. You can click on remember me if it's your personal computer, and then click on login. So thanks for staying with us. My name remains Bola and Ken. Thank you.